Tell about yourself.
Martha Maran, coming from Namakkal. I did my school in Bharati ICT School, studying in 4th year mechanical GCT.
Tell about your parents.
My parents name is Rajeswari and Rajamagan. My mom worked at Anganwadi helper. My hometown is Kolli Hills.
What is your hobby?
Most of my hobby is playing cricket and listening music. In cricket, I am bowling well and I am crest spinner.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is additive manufacturing.
What is the difference between additive manufacturing and subtractive manufacturing?
Additive manufacturing is a layer by addition, no elimination of waste, but subtraction manufacturing, there is elimination of waste and elimination of waste.
What are the different process you know about the additive manufacturing?
FDM, SLA, LOM.
What do you mean by LOM?
LOM is laminated object molding.
FDM.
Fused deposit modeling.
Tell the basic principle of LOM.
ஒரு லேயர் பை லேயரை வந்து அப்படியே அடிக்குவாங்க சார். ஸோ ஒரு இங்கேருந்து வருதுன்னா அது நம்மளுக்கு எந்த அவுட்டர் சர்ஃபேஸ் மட்டும் தேவைப்படுதோ அதை மட்டும் எடுத்துகிட்டு மிச்சம் பார்ட்லாம் காணாத குரோடு போய் சேரணும் சார். அதே ஒவ்வொரு லேயராக அப்படி வந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும்.
And what are the advantages of LOM?
Easy to process and lightweight. Prototype cost is very low and compared to
What do you mean by FDM and what is the basic principle of FDM?
It is a fused deposit modeling. It is a quite normal method in additive manufacturing. It also a layer by layer process where the material used like plastic, another fiber material like nylon.
State first law of thermodynamics. What do you mean by enthalpy? Define turning process. What do you mean by phasing?
Phasing where surface smooth surface.
Knurling process.
Knurling வந்து போல்டு நட்டுக்கிற மாதிரி knurling.
Champering process. Champering process.
Champering size shortages.
Thank you. All the best.